In this lecture, we will need a text file so we can practice some VI. I have chosen Alice's Adventure in Wonderland, which is now public domain. Start by downloading the file to your computer. You can do this by either using wget or curl. One or the other is most likely to be installed on your system. First, try typing wget. If you get some output that is similar to mine, that means that wget does exist on your system. If you get an error message saying command not found, then wget isn't installed on your system. In that case, you can instead try typing curl. If you get an output like mine, that means that curl is installed on your system. But if you once again get command not installed, that means that curl isn't installed on your system. If neither of them is installed, check out the section on how to install packages on your system. In there, you will learn how to install new software on your particular distribution. Once you figure out which of the two commands, wget or curl, that exist in your system, it is time to download Alice's Adventure in Wonderland. If you have wget, you type wget jackbenny.se/docs/alice.txt and hit enter. You should now have a file called alice.txt in your directory. If you, on the other hand, have curl installed, you can download the text file with the command curl jackbenny.se/docs/alice.txt greater than symbol alice.txt. And once again, you should now have a file called alice.txt. Now let's start by opening up Alice's Adventure in Wonderland with VI. Simply type vi alice.txt. You now start in what is called the command mode. From here, we can move around in the document by using the various movement commands. From here, I can, for example, hit W to move one word at a time, like so. You can hit B to move backward one word at a time. W, move forward, and a B, move backward one word. To move up and down, and left and right, like so, I can use the arrow keys. If the arrow keys won't work in case you have an old version of VI, you can instead use H and L to move left and right, and J and K to move down and up in the document. That is H, J, K, L. To move to the end of a line, type a $sign. And to move back to the start of a line, you use the roof sign or the hat sign. To move forward in the document, one half screen at a time, you hit Ctrl D, as in down, like so. And to move up one half screen at a time, you hit Ctrl U, as in up. To move forward an entire screen at a time, you hit Ctrl F, as in forward. And to move back one entire screen at a time, you hit Ctrl B, as in back. This was the basic movement commands for moving through a document. I have written a small PDF file for you with these commands, along with some additional movement commands as well. You find the file in the additional resources for this lecture. In the next lecture, we will start by deleting text and inserting text, and also switching between two modes. But before we wrap up this lecture, we shall quit VI. Start by typing a colon, and you will see you get a prompt appearing in the lower left corner. Now type Q as in quit and hit enter. If you by accident made any changes to the document and VI won't let you quit, you instead type a Q and an exclamation mark and hit enter. That will let you quit without saving the document. Now go grab yourself a cup of coffee and I'll see you back in the next lecture.